Welcome students of Form 4. Welcome to my video, and it's about free villages, free peasants and Crown Colony government with a focus on the skills of evaluating, assessing and explaining. The content is evaluating the impact of a free village settlements. The first question is following. Describe in 4 sentences. Here I am. In total, 4 groups of individuals who made outstanding contribution to the development of free villages. Individuals who made outstanding contribution means at first you return to the question. Well, what is the answer? Were, for instance, missionaries working for the churches. So the churches from Europe, the Catholic Church, but also the Protestant Church, sent their people to the Caribbean, and some of them truly helped the emancipated ex-slaves. Second, another group was that of members of the Anti-Slavery Society. We saw earlier that the abolition movement was very active in Britain with William Wilberforce and others. And this organization was also very active in the Caribbean itself. A third group were planters who acknowledged that peasants needed help after the abolition of slavery. And a fourth group is the last group to be mentioned here is that of the Baptist ministers of the evangelical churches. They led local evangelical communities, and as I've said during class, religion was a binding force to work together to gain more land and to work on this land together and to carry the burden of investment and working the land together, and had all the advantages of working together for it. So these were 4 groups in the text there that you can see. I highlighted the 4 beginnings. First group, another group, a third group, the last group, and also try to do it into your own words like I did just now. I did not just reproduce what I saw in the text. I also did some explaining, and I used my own words to make it my own. That way you learn more from it. If you have questions, ask them below. And if you have remarks or other additions or some language mistake I made, let me know in the comments below.